Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to do a third coat on a butt joint. So I'm going to use a 12-inch trowel, and it's straight. I think it's straight. Yeah, it is. It's kind of old too. So what you're going to do is you're going to double check the joint. So here it's already second coated. It's a little bit still wet, but I'm still going to show you how to do a third coat. So you're going to put on the trowel. As you can see, it's completely straight. And over here too. So your job now is basically just skip coat it without leaving any mud. So you're gonna apply the mud. Always go outside the edge of the second coat and you go up. So now I'm gonna wipe this side. Now I'm gonna wipe this one here. So I'm literally pressing hard and I go down with my body and I wipe. Over here I have a plug, so what I'll do is I'll just go here, go down here, build it up, bring it up. You have an option to wipe it like this, and then you go from here, wipe the edge. I'm gonna wipe over here like that, go down, up, I won't. Go up, and finish. As you can see, this butt joint is completely straight and ready to be sanded.